Have you ever purged an attic by category? My client and I decided to tackle this attic category by category. We had overhauled this attic over a decade ago, and slowly over the years it filled back up. When my client asked me, should we revisit the attic? I said yes, but I have a strategy in mind. Both my client and I are 10 years older, and I thought, why don't we do this a little bit differently? Rather than spending long days and overhauling the attic all at once, we picked a category, and that was trash. I went up there and I grabbed empty boxes, things that looked damaged or broken or worn out, and she confirmed them and I threw them away. That made a lot of floor space. With the little path that we made, I was able to make my way over to her suitcases and travel bags. I made a video scanning all of them and then showed it to her downstairs. She identified which ones could be donated and gotten rid of. I brought them down, put them at the end of my driveway, donated them to thrift shops, and they were gone. Now that we had even more space, we were able to tackle one of the biggest categories up there, which was clothes. That's what you're seeing me do in this video here. We scheduled a 4-hour appointment, and we agreed that I would only carry down any clothes that are inside of bins or boxes. That's because it's creating floor space once it's gone. That helps me work a little bit more and get deeper into the attic. We left the hanging clothes because, well, they're out of the way, and once they're gone, nothing's going to hang there anymore. We both agreed that the clothes coming downstairs should not come back up. My client did a great job donating, purging, consigning, giving away, and throwing away all the clothes brought downstairs. She only had 1 or 2 bins that she wanted to keep that were very special and valuable to her. We added them to another closet downstairs. I filtered some of the bins that were really messy. Either something had disintegrated and created a mess, or maybe some bugs had gotten into. That way I wasn't bringing the total dirty attic mess down to the house. I ended up bringing down about 16 bins. In her den, we laid a bunch of tarps down and set up a long table so she could sit on the couch and sort as I sent things her way. We created a well-oiled machine with bins below her labeled donate, consign, giveaway. She sends a lot of her clothes to her friends and family, so we had all their names lined up with bags. While I was up there, I definitely recognized more trash and kept up with the sweeping so I wouldn't drag the dirt around. I also started recognizing other categories and staging those for the next few rounds. Between the trash, suitcases, and clothes, this took about 6 hours, and at the end of this video, you'll see the before and afters. Some of the next few categories that we will work on will be old electronics, memorabilia, old bedding, picture frames, artwork, and empty organizing containers. Sometimes it's just so easy to say, just put it up in the attic. And whenever my client would say that, I would always try to challenge her and say, you sure you want to revisit this 10 years later? I've been a professional organizer since 2009, and I've seen a lot of attics and basements. Whenever I'm asked for an estimate, I usually have a general response, and that's 12 to 24 hours for any attic, basement, garage. Please enjoy these before and after photos. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow, and happy organizing.